Today, Tuesday, March 8, 2022. Update for our house restoration project for my auntie Nating. So we are almost run out of funds for additional construction materials. So please support this project and just see the description above for the webinar for a cost. So I'm conducting a webinar, online seminar this coming Sunday, March 13 and March 20 at 7 p.m. Manila, Philippine time. So the roof, estimated cost for the roof, including trusses, around 40,000 pesos. So once again, I would like to thanks for those who send their support already and who share their blessings to us. This is the restoration project for my auntie Nating house, 3 by 5 or 3 by 6 meters. So please support my online seminar this coming March 13 and March 20. So it's about the single stick drills with the sidewinder drills, disarming techniques, and striking patterns for close quarter combat. And we have also double stick drills, ABC drills of our system, Cafe de Paris, and in combination of a sidewinder. So it's a very easy and fun drills for double stick. Thank you very much, and hoping from your support. Once again, we have our ongoing constructions for my auntie Nating's house, and I'm appealing for your support to get some more construction materials, and please support my also webinar for a cause. So the it's a fundraising. The collected funds will be spent here for the construction materials. So we're almost run out of funds to get more materials. So thank you very much, and keep on supporting us.